Is there really an infinite number of universes?
Hey, Travis, lucky enough, this is exactly what I've been posting about. Are there infinite worlds in the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics? The answer is, practically yes. Actually, we're still trying to figure that out. So here are the conundrums that we're dealing with. Number one, you have to realize that it's not just people making choices. It's anytime there's a quantum event. And all atoms, all particles in the universe are in some way fundamentally quantum, which means that there is essentially a different universe for every possible quantum outcome for every possible different particle that exists in the universe. And then more than that, because new particles can come in and out of existence, which are also quantum events, and this is the real mind-blowing one, in this interpretation, the future isn't being created right now. It already exists. The timeline expands into the future and into the past. And every possible quantum event going into the future has already happened, and every possible quantum event going into the past has already happened. So that's every particle and every field in the universe for every possible smallest division of time, constantly creating new universes into the future and into the past. Now, here's the thing that gets even more wonky. Quantum phenomena still happened before the Big Bang, at least as far as we can theorize. And quantum phenomena should happen after the heat death of the universe, because even after absolute zero, particles have zero-point energy. So the big question that we have to answer is, does time have a beginning, and does time have an end? And I don't mean just a practical beginning and end, like the Big Bang and the heat death of the universe. I mean an actual beginning and end where time completely, as we know it, the ability for causality to happen, no longer exists. Like, it would have to be a state in the universe where there is literally no quantum activity. And the short answer to that is we just do not know. We don't know if there was ever a state of the universe like that way in the past before the Big Bang, and we don't know if there's ever going to be a state of the universe like that way in the future after the heat death of the universe. We just don't know. So actually infinite, we're not sure. But practically infinite, this is kind of interesting. Remember, every particle in the universe is entangled in some way with quantum phenomena. That means that the act of counting how many universes there are is also entangled with quantum phenomena. So when you say, is it possible that we could possibly count how many universes? Some theorize no, because the act of counting is quantum phenomena, and thus branches off more universes. So any number we come up with will be immediately wrong. So then we adjust and count again, creating more quantum phenomena and being immediately wrong. So practically, yes, it's infinite. But actually infinite, the verdict's out and it might always be out.